In the intricate tapestry of relationships, trust serves as the golden thread, weaving together a bond of security, understanding, and mutual respect. When trust becomes frayed, the relationship can unravel, leaving individuals grappling with uncertainty and emotional distress. Recognizing the signs of trust issues is crucial to addressing them and fostering healthier connections. Here are 5 common signs that may indicate underlying trust issues. 1. Comparing to the past. Do you find yourself constantly drawing parallels between your current partner and someone who hurt you in the past? This tendency to compare might signal underlying trust issues. If you're constantly looking for similarities between your new partner and past experiences of betrayal or disappointment, it could indicate that you're struggling to let go of past hurts and trust fully in the present relationship. While it's natural to draw upon past experiences to inform your current decisions, it's important to avoid letting the pain of the past dictate your present happiness. If you find yourself constantly comparing your partner to your past, try to identify the specific triggers and address them with self-compassion and understanding. Seek support from a therapist or counselor if you need help processing past traumas and developing healthier coping mechanisms. 2. Keeping distance. Do you and your partner tend to maintain an emotional distance, keeping things at arm's length? Do you feel hesitant to open up about your feelings and share vulnerabilities? This reluctance to connect emotionally could be a sign of trust issues. Emotional intimacy is a cornerstone of any healthy relationship. It allows partners to connect on a deeper level, fostering trust, understanding, and a sense of security. If you find yourself holding back from sharing your true feelings and experiences with your partner, it could indicate that you're struggling to trust fully and let down your guard. Try to identify the root cause of your emotional distance. Is it fear of rejection or abandonment? Is it a past experience of betrayal or hurt? Once you understand the underlying reasons for your hesitation, you can start to address them. Seek support from your partner, a trusted friend, or a therapist to work through your fears and develop healthier communication patterns. 3. Unveiling the roots of commitment. Phobia. Fear of vulnerability and suspicion. Commitment phobia, the apprehension of forming deep and lasting bonds, often stems from a profound fear of being truly seen, understood, and exposed. This fear of emotional intimacy can manifest in various ways, including repeatedly pushing potential partners away, self-sabotaging relationships, and avoiding any situation that demands genuine connection. At the heart of commitment phobia lies an underlying fear of vulnerability, the apprehension of revealing one's true self and opening oneself up to the possibility of rejection or hurt. This fear can be rooted in various experiences, such as childhood traumas, past betrayals, or a general sense of insecurity. 4. The shadow of suspicion, a sign of unexplored trust. Issues. Frequent suspicions, a constant state of questioning others' intentions and motives, can also serve as a red flag, indicating underlying trust issues. Suspicion can cast a pall over even the kindest gestures, eroding the foundation of any relationship. Whether it's doubting the sincerity of a friend's compliment, questioning the loyalty of a family member, or constantly scrutinizing a partner's actions, persistent doubts can signal a deeper problem. They may point to unresolved trust issues stemming from past experiences, such as betrayals, broken promises, or inconsistencies in others' behavior. Addressing fear and suspicion, a path to deeper connections. Overcoming commitment phobia and addressing trust issues require a willingness to confront one's fears and delve into the underlying causes. This may involve seeking professional guidance through therapy, exploring personal experiences, and practicing mindfulness techniques to manage anxiety and cultivate self-awareness. Breaking the cycle of fear and suspicion is a journey of self-discovery and emotional growth. It's about embracing vulnerability, learning to trust oneself, and developing a healthy understanding of relationships. By embarking on this journey, individuals can open themselves up to the possibility of genuine connection, fulfilling relationships, and a deeper sense of belonging. Sure, here's a simplified version of the text. Picking fights as a sign of trust issues. Sometimes arguing a lot, even over small things, can be a sign that you don't trust your partner completely. This behavior can be a way to express your worries and fears about the relationship. To fix this, you need to talk to each other honestly. You need to find out what's really causing the fights and what your fears and insecurities are. When you feel safe to talk about your concerns, you can start to understand each other better and find ways to solve problems. It's also important to find healthier ways to deal with stress and anxiety. This could mean developing coping mechanisms on your own, or getting support from your partner when you're feeling down. The goal is to stop fighting in destructive ways and start working together to solve problems. Building trust takes time and effort. You need to work together to make your relationship stronger. This could mean setting boundaries, doing things to build trust, or even getting help from a therapist to deal with trust issues. The goal is to create a relationship where you both feel safe, understood, and able to handle challenges in a healthy way.